Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Today video Celestia Tia coin last 24 hours good pumping 25% increase rise. Coming days price value more pumping increasing up. Currently good bullish rally continue. Tia coin daily time frame daily third candle strong uptrend position 24-hour trading volume 765 million market cap Tia coin 390 million market dominance currently 0.03%. Tia coin against US dollar Ethereum and Bitcoin 15% price up increased same time period. Tia coin traded 20 cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance listed, Binance futures, kucoin, OKX, HTX, get.io, Bybit and many other exchanges listed. Tia coin current circulating supply 145 million Tia, total supply 1 billion Tia. Based on Tia coin forecast, current technical indicator sentiment is bullish. Binance listed. It means good investment. Buy entry trade. Profitable. Celestia Tia coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.